AIDA was founded in 1917 by Yohei AIDA. He devised many ingenious solutions to overcome the many difficulties involved in press manufacturing. More than 100 years later, his spirit still inspires us to stand at the forefront of the industry. AIDA's direct servo former series of 21st century servo presses has spurred innovation in press metal forming. Our large, low-speed, high-torque servo motors are optimal for presses. Our presses deliver high formability and energy efficiency and are environmentally friendly. They're used in all industries, including the automotive, appliance, and electronics industries. AIDA's diverse lineup, high-speed automatic presses, precision forming presses, forging presses and feeders, and peripheral press equipment, provides superior performance. Our environmentally friendly forming systems are keys to the large-scale manufacture of electric cars with more powerful motors. AIDA's wide-area, high-speed, precision-forming MSP series presses can be used to make larger motor cores. We also help manufacturers reduce vehicle weight. AIDA's direct servo formers enable the high productivity forming of lighter and thinner high-tensile strength steels. Our magnet-free transfers and pressure-controlled servo die cushions enable the forming of light and easily recyclable aluminum materials. AIDA manufactures its products around the world and is uncompromising in its quest for quality. AIDA's production factories in China, Malaysia, Italy, the US, and Japan all use the same high standards. AIDA Sales and Service ensures stable, high-quality production with a global network. Moreover, aiming for even greater growth by leveraging its stable finances and high earning power, AIDA will continue to build products that meet the needs of its customers. The AIDA Technical Center in Weingarten, Germany, the heart of the European auto industry, engages in the R&D of new equipment that is expanding technological frontiers. For AIDA, the future is the challenge. Customers worldwide choose our products for many reasons. We work with them and prosper together. We provide ever newer, ever better, environmentally friendly technologies and services. We help our customers make people's lives happier everywhere. Who are we? What are we? We are AIDA.